Morning. Morning. And morning to you too. I thought come for a little wander. Welcome to the Australian bushland in summer. There's a little highway over there. So the highway sort of goes up and then come back down into this little bit. And then over that way apparently is like a water reservoir that you can, go swimming and fishing. And so this little pocket of special space has only just been done. So there's First Nations people gathering stuff. It's all very cool. But yeah, as you can see, being in Australian bush in summer, it's not just a mood, it's not even just a vibe. You feel it in the souls of your atoms. It's not a place, for Babylonians to go wandering too far into. Back to the car I go.